I'll bumbuckler fix it. Nissan Note 2015. A very rough, idle and sluggish. Feel like it now on the power. Go inside, check warning light. I'm going to start it up and listen to its sound. Ooh, can definitely feel it. It's vibrating away. Misfires taking place. As you can see, check engine light on. We are going to assess that. That is a miss. No questions asked. It's shaking away like crazy. I already have an idea what is wrong. Run the diagnostic tool. Alright, so now we're in the car. This is my scan tool. It's right under here. Engine off, ignition on. OBD2, I'm going to check that one. Alright, so pending code P03302. Cylinder 2 misfire detected. Start this vehicle. I'm going to come around and I'm going to pull this. I'm going to check to see any difference in the engine sound, disconnecting the electrical from the ignition coil. Pull cylinder 3 and you'll hear the change. Hear that? Listen. Alright. I've also tested cylinder 1 where to check if it is the ignition coil itself. I'm going to interchange this and this ignition coil. Do the test again. The problem follows. That is the coil. If you perform the test again, it's now in cylinder 3 and I put the cylinder 3 ignition coil where the ignition coil for cylinder 2 is. Check this one. Alright. That one is reacting. Alright, see that? No drop in the RPM. Alright. I am certain that it is this ignition coil. Replace it. Okay. It's no longer missing. I'm back at the tailpipe. That vibration is gone. I'm gonna delete the code. So that's the code that was there. Alright. So it says all done. As you can see, no code. I'll bumbuckler fix it. Remember, subscribe. See? Like it if you like it. Share it with your friends. Pick up yourself. Leave a comment if you have something to say. And remember, subscribe to the channel, man. Help the channel grow. Big up to all who made this channel consistently possible and worth it.